Ulefone AI Smartphone Armor 34 Pro 5G Review. Real proof this phone replaces everything. You are somewhere remote. Battery dying, no signal, someone needs a presentation right now. A friend froze completely on a construction site in that exact moment with zero backup. Type me if that quiet panic has ever hit you personally. Because what if your phone could handle every single one of those problems at the same time without breaking a sweat? That suffocating feeling of watching your battery crawl toward zero while hours still remain in your day is not just inconvenient. It is mission-critical failure in slow motion. You carry a power bank, projector, flashlight, and cables just to feel ready. Still never enough. But what if one device quietly made all of that completely unnecessary, starting today? Then I plugged in the Ulefone AI Smartphone Armor 34 Pro 5G and everything shifted. Do not just pick any rugged smartphone. Make sure it has a built-in projector with true 100% offset so you never feel stranded without a presentation surface ever again. Here is what this actually does. The 25,500 milliamp hours battery runs the built-in 150 lumen DLP projector for over 6 continuous hours on one charge. The 64 megapixel night vision camera with f1.79 aperture captures clear footage in near total darkness, so unlit site inspections and midnight trails are no longer guesswork. The 120Hz FHD display at 600 nits stays readable in direct sunlight. The 66-watt fast charging refuels everything in roughly 2 hours. The 50-megapixel Samsung ultra-wide adds wide environmental context shots instantly. And plus or minus 40 degrees keystone correction keeps projected images perfectly straight on angled walls. A search and rescue volunteer projected full terrain maps for an entire team mid-mission in complete darkness from this one device. No laptop, no bag. Drop a 1 in the comments if you already knew you needed this yesterday. Once you see the full benefit chain, it becomes hard to unsee. More battery means more hours working untethered. More untethered hours mean sharper focus without the anxiety of hunting for a charger. Sharper focus leads to faster decisions and cleaner results in the field, which is exactly what separates good professionals from genuinely great ones. A rugged phone expert confirmed the 25,500 milliamp hours battery powers the projector for 6+ hours and survives 2-meter drops and high-pressure water jets without damage. An outdoor tech reviewer noted the 150 lumen projector creates usable 60-inch images inside dim tents, with the 120Hz display staying smooth despite 825-gram weight. A mobile analyst confirmed the Dimensity 7300 handles Android 15 and AI multitasking without lag. One field engineer projected engineering drawings on site without any additional equipment across a full 3-month deployment. Wondering whether the projector holds up in semi-bright rooms? Verified users consistently report clear, legible images with zero extra setup required. Weight is a fair concern. At 825 grams, this is not a slim, everyday pocket phone. But eliminating a separate power bank, projector, and flashlight from your kit means your actual carry load drops considerably. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for battery, 2 for projector, 3 for night vision. Come see why field professionals and outdoor adventurers quietly switched and never looked back. The Ulefone AI Smartphone Armor 34 Pro 5G replaces 5 separate tools with one indestructible device that projects, shoots in complete darkness, charges other devices, and keeps running for days without complaint. The affiliate link is in the description and pinned in the comments, ready for you. No pressure at all. Take a look when you are ready. You already know if this was built for you.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.